So I'm Marie-Pierre Ballarin. I am IRD senior researcher. IRD is the Institute of Research for Development, which is based in France, in Marseille, but we have many activities all along the world, and especially in Africa. I have been working in Kenya for almost 20 years now, developing research on slavery study and slave trade on the Kenyan coast with colleagues from the National Museum of Kenya and the For Jesus Museum and the Catholic University of Eastern Africa in Nairobi. In 2014, we had a big conference on slavery studies at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa in Nairobi. So then we welcomed many colleagues from the whole African continent. And then this conference was the first of that type in East Africa. So after that, we really wanted to continue to share each other. So we created, thanks to funding from the European Commission, the SLAFNET network, the Slavery in Africa network, a dialogue between Europe and Africa. The whole objective of the project was to link the different institutions and universities from Africa and Europe. So we had the University Cheikh Anta Diop in Dakar, we had the Yaoundé University, Marwa University in Cameroon, we had Addis Ababa University in Ethiopia, Catholic University of Eastern Africa and the museums here in Kenya, and the University of Mauritius. Then we had also collaborations with University of Lisbon, Baspa University, Birmingham, Hamburg, and the CNRS in France with the Centre International de Recherche sur les Esclavages, the University of Nantes and the Université Côte d'Azur in Nice, where I am based actually. So since this project really allows all of us to do exchange and mobilities between the two continents. So our African colleagues were going to France or in Europe especially to get sources, resources, and also to do some methodological workshop and things like that. And then in Europe, the European colleagues were able to do some more research and research field, and also do some conference workshops everywhere where we were based. And so now the network is created. We have a network of around 50 persons now. And so since Monday, we have been working in a small group. We were about 12, so France, Kenya, Ethiopia, Mauritius, and Tanzania, to think how we could elaborate curricula on slavery studies from the beginning of the university up to the PhD level, because we can see that there is a lack, and so our aim was to think about it and to generate ideas, so how we can move forward on this object. And today we were welcomed by IFRA. Many thanks. We were very happy to be here. We had our last session in the morning, but in the afternoon we had a conference by Professor Vijaya Tilok from the University of Mauritius, who shared her research and how the Mauritian, the Western Indian Ocean islands are connected with the East African coast. And the discussants was Herman Kiryama from Kisii University. Both of them have been working on this topic since the early 2000s. So it was a very nice moment.